Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third Sudoku, a binary one, in the additional of today's newspaper on Saturday. Yes, it's still Saturday, weekend, January the 9th, 2021. The third Sudoku is a binary Sudoku, and this will be number 2138. Yes, 38. Correct? Yes. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Between two O's comes in one. Between two O's comes in one. Between two ones comes in O. Then. Let me see. Double one. Here no, there no. We have here 3 O's. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 ones in a row in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this cannot be an O. This should be a 1. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Between two ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. 4 ones in this column, so the rest are O's. 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Then. Do I need to compare? Let me see. Ay. Okay. I'm stuck. I think I'm stuck. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Of double O. Yeah. Look, we have an O and a 1 here. Between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes. Those 2 boxes are reserved for the O and the 1. And I don't know in which order, but we have the first O, second O, the third O, and the fourth O. So this should be a 1. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. And same like here, between an O and a 1, between those digits with 2 empty boxes, there's always an O and a 1. So the first O, second O, third O, and the fourth O. So this should be a 1. Then let me see. Double O. Yeah, we can compare. this column and that column. Empty box 110011111100 empty box. So we need to switch these two digits. We have an O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Okay. Now do we have, yeah, the second row and the fifth row. Yeah, the fifth row. Oh, 1 1 1 1 0 0 1 1 empty box 0 0. So we need to switch those two digits. We have an O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. Alright, now we have 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. And then double O here, 1, there 1, double 1 here, no, there, no. Then we need between two ones comes an O, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Then double 1 here. Yes, this column and the first column. Yes, 1 1 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 empty box 0 0. So we need to switch those two digits. We have an O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Finish in 7 minutes. All right, great Sudoku, great binary with 3 times comparing. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a second with the last Sudoku, and it will be a tectonic one, tectonic with 4 stars. So see you later. Bye bye for now.